Web3.tv.
Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, bringing you the latest news in crypto, blockchain, AI, and Web3. It's a Black Monday today. International markets opened this morning to their steepest drop in 16 years, with the Asia stock market plunging 8% and the Europe stock 600 falling 10% following President Trump's 10% tariffs that took effect over the weekend. Now, this turmoil has spilled over into the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin dropping 7.5% overnight to $76,333, its lowest level since November 2024. Ethereum saw an even sharper decline, dropping nearly 20% to $1,494, while Solana also tumbled by 20% in the past 24 hours. Now, meme coins have also been hit hard, with Dogecoin falling 16%, while the TRUMP coin slumped 15% to a record low of $7.60. Crypto-related stocks mirrored these declines, with Coinbase shares sliding 6%. However, MicroStrategy bucked that trend with a surprising 4% gain. Meanwhile, gold prices fell only slightly as traders shift towards safe havens like gold and the Japanese yen amid growing uncertainty. In the last week, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization has shed $500 billion, now standing at $2.4 trillion. Investor sentiment has plummeted into extreme fear, according to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And with Trump's reciprocal tariffs coming into effect later this week, the crypto market is showing economic instability, with over $850 million in long crypto positions being liquidated. Now, turning to regulatory news. President Trump's pick to lead the SEC, Paul Atkins, is one step closer to confirmation. Last week, the Senate Banking Committee approved his nomination in a narrow 13-11 vote along party lines. The Senate Banking Committee also advanced Jonathan Gold to run the OCC. Now the nomination will move to the full Senate for final approval. The vote to advance Atkins' nomination was divided along party lines. Republican senators praised him for his deregulatory stance, as well as his support for digital assets. Meanwhile, Democrats, led by Senator Elizabeth Warren, raised concerns over his financial ties and potential conflicts of interest. During his confirmation hearing, Warren called out Atkins for prioritizing Wall Street interests over consumer protection, pointing to his consultancy firm, Patemet Global Partners, which has previously worked with major financial players, including the collapsed crypto exchange FTX. Meanwhile, Atkins has announced plans to sell his stake in Patemet Global Partners as a way to address these concerns. If confirmed by the full Senate, he is expected to bring a more business-friendly approach to the crypto market. Next, stablecoin issuers and crypto exchanges got a positive boost on Friday as the SEC clarified that these assets are generally not considered securities. In a statement, the SEC stated that the determination applies as long as the crypto asset is backed by a stable currency, such as the US dollar, gold, or a pool of other reserves. This means issuers won't need to register with the SEC, offering relief to the industry. However, the agency noted that decisions will still be made on a case-by-case basis, and this clarification comes as Congress works on key crypto legislation. Stablecoin bills such as the Stable and Genius Act have already advanced out of committee, and the House of Financial Services Committee will hold its first hearing on market structure next week. And finally, the UAE is gearing up to launch its digital dirham in the final quarter of this year. This government-backed digital currency will operate alongside physical cash, offering faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions. It will also be powered by blockchain technology. Now, this digital dirham will be issued by the UAE Central Bank through fintech firms, licensed banks, and exchange houses. It's designed for retail use and everyday payments, as well as wholesale applications like cross-border transactions. Once live, the digital dirham will support smart contracts and tokenization, features that enable automated, secure, and complex transactions while expanding access to digital financial tools. Now, this move aligns with global trends as countries such as China and India also advance their own digital currencies as a way to explore how blockchain technology can modernize monetary systems. The digital dirham is also expected to play a key role in combating financial crime through encrypted, traceable records. And that's all that we had for you today. My name is Lisa Amnegard, reporting for Crypto TV.
Web3.tv